Hi everyone, E OK and NWA and Fox 24 Chief Meteorologist Dan Scoff in the Weather Center. It's just about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and we have a severe weather update for you. It's going to be short and brief so you can check it out while you're at work. Right now temperatures are in the mid to upper 50s, not quite as warm as expected, a lot of cloud cover, but the sky is clearing off to the west. Upper 50s means less severe weather potential for our area. However, warmer weather is developing in northeast Oklahoma, and I'll show you why. The warmer it is on a severe weather day, the more moisture you have in the atmosphere, the more moisture you have at the ground, that equals severe weather chances. Right now our dew points are only in the lower 50s. By this evening, those will climb back up into the upper 50s. As you'll see, south winds are transporting that moisture rapidly to the north. And look at all the moisture that is starting to develop in the northeast Texas area. That is all surging northwestward in a very strong south wind. And by this evening, we should have dew points in the upper 50s, possibly even the lower 60s, but I do question that. The visible satellite kind of tells the picture. It's completely sunny west of the dry line. We do have some storms that are beginning to pop, and you can see those in northeastern sections of Kansas, southwest of Kansas City. Those storms are continuing to develop. Right now, however, there is no activity in northeast Oklahoma. We are watching that closely, and here's what the surface map looks like. A dry line is off to the west, cold front in Kansas. All of this is moving eastward. In fact, the dry line is rapidly translating eastward as it continues to surge east. It will interact with that moisture and also the warmer weather in northeast Oklahoma and develop those storms. Now the cold front that you see in Kansas will be moving southeastward as well, and that cold front as it moves in could spark off some other thunderstorm development as it works its way into the region. I'm going to zoom in a little closer and you can see a few breaks in the clouds over northwest Arkansas under Carroll County. And let me go ahead and I'll circle that for you. Again, in Carroll County, you can see a few breaks in the clouds. A lot of breaks in the clouds in northeast Oklahoma, and that's where they have just recently issued a tornado watch. And that tornado watch does include, and as I pan up to the north, you'll see that includes far northeastern sections of Oklahoma. It goes until 8 o'clock. Also, southwest Missouri is under that tornado watch as well until 8 o'clock in the evening. No current tornado watch for northwest Arkansas, however. As we look at the future track, storms are expected to develop around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. One storm that we'll watch in particular could be just to the west of Delaware County. Right now, future track not really showing this is going to happen. However, one of these storms in northeast Oklahoma as they move east-northeastward will come very close to northern McDonald County. That will most likely be severe. We are going to watch for other thunderstorm development. Now you'll notice 7 o'clock in the evening, future track not showing anything. There is definitely a doubt as to whether thunderstorms will develop along the dry line. However, as that cold front, remember I told you about the cold front, that is going to be marching southward, and watch what happens as it develops storms later on this evening. These will not most likely be of the tornadic variety. Instead, they will be damaging winds and large hail will be the main threats with those storms. Notice by Friday midnight, everything kind of moves out, and by Friday morning, we'll be cool. We have another chance of thunderstorms during the afternoon, but that is the latest severe weather risk here from the Northwest Arkansas Weather Authority Center. We'll watch the storms closely. We'll let you know when anything's updated. You can follow me on Weather Dan under Twitter and follow us on Facebook, NWA Weather Authority. Have a good one.